What does a Gillis workflow do? On a basic view, when a certain event occurs in the business, or perhaps it's a potential issue, a Gillis workflow automatically identifies this and immediately sends a notification to the right people to ensure that they are aware. On the next level, an event occurs in the business, a Gillis workflow identifies this and a workflow is automatically triggered with a series of steps, or what's termed to-dos. These are directed to the right people at the right time and guides the people and organisation through the workflow. Take it up another level, an event occurs which requires a workflow where some to-dos can be worked in parallel, others must be sequential. Some to-dos are dependent on previous to-dos, others to-dos are dependent on a certain date. What about workflows with if conditions? This to-do should be forwarded if, or if conditions around who is responsible and who the to-do should be forwarded to. Or decisions in workflows. A Gillis workflow can request a decision is made, and depending on the answer, depends on how the workflow tracks, or perhaps looping is required. All can be handled with a Gillis workflow. Plus, a Gillis workflow can automate your workflow. Remove and replace those repetitive and laborious and system tasks. Let a Gillis workflow do that work.